guys, again it's me, Mommy Imee, and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'll be showing you how I do my simple makeup routine. So if you want to know how I do it and what are the products that I'm using, just keep on watching. Let's start first with skin prep. I already washed my face, and after that, I put my favorite toner, which is the Collagen by Watson. I bought this for 200 plus and it was on sale. And I really like the consistency of the toner because malapot siya. So I just put it directly to my face. I don't use cotton pads or cotton balls kasi the product will just absorb, or the cotton balls will just absorb the product. So sayang lang. So I put it directly and then let it dry. After the toner, I put my sunblock. And my favorite sunblock right now is from Coty. It is the Real Kill sunscreen with makeup base. So it's SPF 50+++ and UVA UVB protection with highly effective filters. So gusto ko nitong sunblock na to because hindi siya malagkit, and also it already acts as your primer. So after I put the toner, I put directly my sunblock. Every day, kailangan natin mag-sunblock, mga mommy, kasi kahit nasa loob lang tayo ng bahay, there's still a lot of UV rays that we encounter, like on the cell phone, sa TV, or palagi tayo nakaharap sa laptop. So I just put it directly. Every time na may nilalagay akong product sa face, lagi kong dinadama yung leeg. Because you know, madaling mag-age madaling mangulubot since nagkakaedad na tayo. So, kailangan din natin alagaan yung leeg natin. Kasi yung part na mabilis mag-wrinkle. So, after I put my toner, my sunblock, let's go to my makeup base. Next, let's go to my favorite foundation. This is from Loreal Infallible 24-Hour Freshwear. And my shade here is Golden Beige. So, this is the consistency of the foundation. It's a little bit runny, but it's full coverage. So, I use a dump sponge, a beauty blender sponge, and put it directly. Kasi, for me, mas natural looking kapag sponge yung gamit ko. So, 2 to 3 pumps, it's okay na cover niya na lahat yung face niyo, or face ko. And then after putting my foundation, I also use concealer, and my favorite concealer right now is from the Saem Tip Concealer. My shade here is 01. This is a very full coverage concealer, and you really have to blend this and set with a powder kasi nakikrease siya. Dami mo na din yung eyelid. Next, after concealer, I set it with the powder. And my favorite loose face powder is from Coty Airspun. It is naturally neutral. That's my shade. So, super tipid nito, guys, kasi it's like for 1 year mo siyang gagamitin. So, worth it naman yung price niya. It won't affect your foundation. It's just set. Maganda lang siya. Maganda siya pang set sa under eyes. So, put it under eyes. Or sa spots na sa mga areas na nag-oiled up kayo. So, nagbe-bake talaga ako ngayon. So, while baking, I go for my brows. So, next is my eyebrows. So, my favorite, or the brows I'm using right now is from L'Oreal Brow Artist. It is the Brow Pomade. My shade here is Brunette. Ganito ko lang siya ginagawa. I just outline first sa taas, sa baba, and then sa taas. Just fill in ko lang yung mga areas na may pores. Then I just blend it. Okay. Ganun lang din sa kabila. I-outline nyo muna yung kilay nyo, mga mami. Actually, hindi naman ako perfect magkilay. Before, gumagamit ako ng pencil, but lately, parang nahilig ako sa pomade. Actually, taon na akong gumagamit ng pomade. Unang ginamit ko is the Milani pomade, and then, Colourpop, saka itong last, itong Loreal. So, after I finish my brows, I set ko na yung binig ko. So, I also use the sponge to set the powder na binig natin kanina. After setting my powder, I go for my favorite blush. So, my favorite blush is from Imee Advance. This one is Baked Fig. So, ayan. Actually, nahitpan ko na siya. Napakaganda ng color nito, guys. Tapos, mura pa siya. 200 plus lang. So, I use a powder blush or brush from Anfoots Brushes. So, ganito ako maglagay. I focus here, tapos pataas. Parang nag-drunk blush lang. Ang pataas. Very light lang yung color niya. Very natural. And then, tapos itong isa, ginagamit ko siya pang contour sa nose. So, yun tayo. And then I go for my, usually I go for Liptint, which is from Roman. This is Baked Fig, yata. Or Fig Pig. I don't know the color. But this tint is very moisturizing. If gusto niyo parang ombre effect, so I put a tint, tapos kumukuha lang ako ng very light shade na lipstick. Ganyan lang. I-outline ko lang yung labas. Dagdagan pa natin. Out. There. So, this is pretty much it. That's it lang. Yung ginagawa ko every day or every time na lalabas kami ng mga bata. So, foundation, eyebrows, blush, and then lip tint. So, babalik ako guys. Ayusin ko lang yung buhok. Hi guys, I'm back. So, this is the final look. So, as you can see, very simple lang. So, may konti kang blush, lip tint, and then kilay. So, presentable ka na sa mga pupuntahan nyo kahit marami kang bitbit na bata or marami bitbit mo yung anak mo, marami kang bitbit na gamit, still looking pretty ka pa rin, diba? So, I hope, mommy, you create this makeup look and try nyo din siya. So, very easy. It just take less than 10 minutes of your time para matapos siya. So, ayan. So, ready na ako lumabas. So, I hope you like this video. And if you're not subscribed yet, please subscribe and also click the little notification button so you'll be notified every time na mag-upload ako ng mga new videos. So, again, thank you so much for watching. Again, it's me, Mommy Imee. If you like it, and see you on my next one. Bye!